Share information about an incident that something that really has shaken me. So it was few days back, we ordered food from Uber, okay? And to be honest, we were waiting for it. Like we were eagerly waiting for it to come, okay? And the guy, we were tracking his movements and we did not like it because it was getting delayed again and again. And as per the app, it was coming, the courier was coming on a bike, okay? Now, it really hit me hard initially that first of all, it was so cold. How could someone deliver food late night on a bike? I mean, bike, I mean to say, bike. How could somebody do that, right? I wouldn't like to do such a job. That too, like in such a cold night, definitely not. He came late, and to be honest, I was very much like frustrated. But when I saw him, all the things turned upside down. What I found, like, he did not even have a bike, and he was delivering food on his by walk. I really got frustrated. Although the restaurant was not far from my home, but I asked him some questions. Like, first of all, why was he doing this kind of job at late night? So he said he has no other option and he has to do this in order to survive. He needs some money. Okay. And because of the harsh snowy, that was a snowy night. So he couldn't use bike at all because during snow, if it's a heavy snow, you may walk, but using a bike is very difficult. Definitely. And I asked him more. I tried to become familiar with him and found like he was an international student from a state in India, and he was like a very young guy, and like like the way he's struggling, literally, it makes me feel so bad. I was thinking to put a negative review or something because of the late delivery, but I ended up doing none of that sort. He even asked me if I could do something for his job, but unfortunately I cannot. But yeah, it hits me a lot. Like it's really, I mean, first of all, a snowy night and young girl, I would say a lad, international student who has to study to complete his course, and then at late night he was delivering food to us. Although we were eagerly waiting for food, but we were warm, right? In our home with our furnace running and heat is being flown in all the areas of the house. But for this guy, there was nothing, absolutely nothing. Like he was delivering food, and that really shook me. I politely offered him some like hot drink, like if he wanted to drink, but he refused. But something that has shaken me, and to be honest with you guys, it makes me feel really bad. Like I haven't been able to stop thinking about that guy. I wish I could help him, but unfortunately I cannot. The only thing I could do was to give him a positive feedback and some tip. I'm not a guy who prefers to pay tips, but that time I thought I should do something. At least that much I could. Although I myself have shortage of money, but that night I couldn't stop myself. Like this also gives us a lesson also, guys. All of us, it's a natural human tendency. We think that our life is difficult. Our life has got so many challenges, so many troubles. But when I saw that guy, I mean, I can't imagine somebody walking late night with food in his backpack, delivering at various places just to make some additional money. And these guys don't make much money. Like I think for every if I could be wrong about this figure, for each delivery they do, they get $3 and tips if they do. That's why it's very difficult. But anyway, guys, I won't take much of your time. But I just wanted to share. This is something I could not hold to myself. That is why I'm sharing with you guys. Please subscribe to the channel.